Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of access band on the application of Truecaller. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, as you see, you will find or you will search about the application of Truecaller and you will enter here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again, so please don't forget to support us by